Manual handling is important to many of the activities in a care environment. You may have had manual handling training in the past, or this may be new to you. Either way, there should be some things you already understand before you engage with this practical training, which is applicable to care workers from both home care and care home-based organisations. Before this training session, you should already have developed an understanding of the theory of safe handling and know about the system of assessments that is in place in your organisation. When you are assisting people to move, you will also need to use the principles of care that you should know from other areas of your training, maintaining the privacy, dignity and independence of the individuals you support. You will continue to develop your skills long after this training session has been completed by practicing the techniques you have learnt, and you will keep your skills fresh with regular refresher training. As you will remember from your moving and assisting theory training, you should avoid hazardous manual handling wherever possible. When you have to use manual handling, there are a number of principles that are used to guide you. The principles of safe moving are: think before you begin. Read the manual handling assessment first. Keep your hands close to your trunk. Work from a balanced and movable base. Use a good hand grip. Lead with your head. Make the task smooth and flowing. Let's see what it looks like when someone is not following these principles. The carer is not close. She is standing on one foot and is unbalanced. She is only picking up light items, but they are not stable. Perhaps she should lift less at a time. Notice her hunched shoulders. The action starts by her locking her knee and leaning forward. So she doesn't lead with her head, and you can see that the task is not smooth or flowing, just fast. In this situation, however, you can see that the care worker has planned the task a little more carefully. So she is much closer, she is starting with her feet balanced and an appropriate distance apart. She avoids twisting and moving at the same time. She is holding the load with her palms, close to her waist, keeping her elbows in. As she picks up the items, the action starts from the head. Her knees and hips are soft, not locked, her shoulders are relaxed, and she takes her time to complete the task. Each object that you need to move will be a little different to the last, but if you apply these principles of safe moving, you will be able to decide how to lift each new item safely. Should you have to lift from the ground, these steps will help you to maintain a good posture. Test the weight and stability of the load. Keep your feet slightly apart so that you are balanced. Avoid an overly wide or narrow stance. Relax your knees and avoid stooping. Get a secure hold. Keep your shoulders level and slowly straighten your legs to return to an upright posture. To put the load down, take the weight on the legs by softening your knees. When lifting, always avoid twisting, jerking or reaching. Keep your head in line with your spine. And remember, if something is too heavy, don't lift it. If you have checked the task against the manual handling guidance filters and it is too difficult to lift, you should review the situation.